We are pleased to show you the 2018 Terrain. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper. Inside you'll find remote start, security system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, power steering, passenger vanity mirror, driver convenience package. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
A GM certified used vehicle can deliver more satisfaction and certainty than any ordinary used vehicle. With our thorough inspection, GM warranty, free vehicle history report, and more. You can expect it all from a GM certified used vehicle. GM certified means no worries. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee.